Hi guys, how are you doing? Uh, I don't know if you're watching this video. You can drop the time in the comment section. So, what am I watching the video currently, and what location where you from? Where are you watching the video from? Um, so like I said, I don't know if you're watching it. So I say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Yeah, in today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to get Google Gemini 3 months plan for yourself, and it's very simple. And before that, I need to show you guys some things. First of all, as you can see, we have our Google Gemini here, which is it, and as you can see here, it's a pro account. We have our Google Film, as you can see, it's a pro account, which we also have extra 1000 credits to ourselves. Now, before we begin instead, I need to show you guys, in this video, I'll be saying so many things for security purpose. So I'll be dropping them in my WhatsApp channel, and I want you guys to join my WhatsApp channel. So it's very simple to join. All you don't need to do is come to this place, my YouTube, and this link here, click on it and take it to the WhatsApp channel directly. It's not that hard. As simple as that. So once you click on the link, wait for it to load, and as you can see, yeah, that's my WhatsApp channel. Yeah, so back to today's video. What to do today. I've recorded everything, or like I'll put everything in a Google document for word explanatory, and this is it there. So just comment documents, drop the word documents in the comment section, and I'll drop it for you. It's as simple as that. Or you can drop the word Google AI, Gemini AI, and I'll drop the documents for you. So that's the keyword for today. Comment document or comment Gemini AI or Google AI, and I'll drop the documents for you in the comment section. Yeah, so as you can see here, everything I'm sharing in this video, or I'll be doing in this video, is legal and official. So now I've written the steps here. So what I want from me is follow the steps one after the other. Now, at step 1, I say create a new account of Coursera. So once you click this link, it's take it to Coursera. All you need to do is copy the link, and as you can see, this Coursera here, but just copy the link and go to your Coursera account. Okay? So your Coursera account, what you need to do is either you join for free or login. So if you have an account of Coursera, that's a good set. So if you don't have an account, join for free. Now, when you join for free, you would use a temp email. I know somebody only knows the temp email. If you don't know the temp email, just comment the word current email, and I'll, if you want me to do a video temp email, comment the word temp email and explain what's temp email for you, and also drop the link on how you can get the temp email for yourself. Now, so I'm using a temp email, so I'll be using a random temp email. I think I like this one. So I think I'll continue, and my name I am, and password. Put the password you won't forget. So now join for free. So as you can see, sign up process redirecting. So in this place is as simple as ABC. So now once you sign up, you need to verify your mail. So come to your mail, and like a temp email, go to temp email and verify the temp email. So I'll wait for this to load. While this one is loading out, continue this process. So now once you're in this place, when you're in this place, click on exit, or you can pick one of them. And now in this place, this is where I want you guys to pay attention. This place I want to start serving the shot. Before that, let me go and verify my mail. I want to verify my mail. Verification successful. So we're waiting for it to load. So while still loading, I'll still go back and continue what I was doing. So now in this place, start 7 days free trial. You click on it and you start the 7 days free trial. Mind you that in this 7 days free trial, The site I'll be using for my card for this 7 days free trial, I won't be exposing it because of security purpose. And yeah, I'm connecting my card as you can see. Connected my card and I'll start a free trial. So now, okay, country, yes. I'm already supposed to be in Nigeria, so I'll pick my country, Nigeria. So I don't need to that for that country, but I'm part of my country, Nigeria. So I'll pick Nigeria. Start switch trial. So while it is processing, I'm coming here to check my mail and verify. Yeah, okay, please. Okay, confirm your mail. Sounds confirm your mail, and yeah, I'm doing that. Confirm email address. So just wait for it to load, and as you can see, email verification successful. So you don't need to go forward that. So we're done with that. Please follow me as I go. Now, once you're on Coursera account, as you can see, you're on Coursera Plus. So at least 7 days, you can get any course for free. Yeah. Now, next thing I want you guys to do is come to this place. I did drop how you can get the card stuff and everything. Yes, you didn't stress yourself. Yesterday, yeah, I'm dropping some card in the group meeting, and also I'm dropping this document in the comment section. Just drop the word document and you receive it. Now step 2, enroll in Google Business Certificate. So now this link, copy it and paste in the same browser with what's it called, with where you sign up your Coursera, just paste it there. And yeah, once you're in this place, what you need to do is enroll. So now, once on this course, we're looking for somewhere in the course where they write in the root everything is documents where you would inside you download redeem code for Gemini. So that's what we're looking for. And what is the process? Okay, finish it. Okay, this is it. So we're looking for it. So it's very, very simple. You can take your time to watch it because it's very, very, very educating. And this is because of what I want to do here. I won't really take my time to explain more because I'm an AI expert. But what I want to do is come to this place, and this is within your Google API Pro trial. So now what we need to do is, before we can unlock this, we need to unlock this one first. So now what we need to do is follow me as I go. This is very, very, very simple. Now you click on start. When you click on start, it's taken to this place. Scroll down to where you have a question, where you have do you just click yes. You don't understand? Yes. There. The name there is there. Like there's no name there because I've done this before. That's why you're showing a name. So put a name here and put a random name. And see the name I use on my system. So type pick up. So I'll click on submit and submit. So submitting this might not take much time. As you can see, you're agreed 100%. So just click on next item, and now on the next item, you scroll down here and click on I agree. When you click on I agree, to be a verification stop for you. So they click on launch app. So sometimes it's only showing like this. You don't just say just refresh. You show something like this. If you see show the same thing, pass it or do it again. Sometimes it is like that. I don't know anything like this. Sometimes it is like this. Just refresh this page itself. So you might have some issues, so you don't stress yourself. You just, I think it's normal network stuff. So you need. So sometimes it is like this. It's like so. I don't know. Well, that's how. Yeah, so I'm back. I had to pause the video. So it just network. So once you click on that stop link, but I had to pause the video to do it. Yeah. So once you're here, click on copy this link address and use a new Gmail. A Gmail that you've not used for Google Flow before, use it. So I'm using a Gmail that I've actually not used before. Since a Gmail that you've not used before, Gmail that you've not used before. So now see you need to not stress yourself. From here to go, scroll down to where you need to start free trial. So with free trial, you agree to the rules and regulations. So you click on agree, and when you agree, you connect to card.
Please share the video. Share the video and like and subscribe. Share want to be you want to be good, you don't want to like and subscribe. Why you like this? Like and subscribe. I love you. Bye bye.